Oh, yes. Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. And I redpillrixter. We're going to get right into it. It's the Mr. Show. Let's just do this one time. Yeah.
I have a girlfriend that's going. Listen. All right, listen. I have a girlfriend. You know
friend.
that.
That's a girl. Just so happens.
Why you can't just accept the fact that I don't want you no
I
more?
am accepting the fact.
No.
You know what me I go do? You know what me a blood clot go? A blood clot send on you, me born and go. Me look a brother push.
I'd like a beautiful woman to come and school me to death.
Oh, God.
But it's gonna cost you.
Oh, boy.
And it stays between us.
Whoa.
And women have to stand up and be the mother and the father and the provider, and so then now you are.
So the average man's salary in the U.S. is $40,000. The average woman in the U.S. weighs 170 pounds. Why is there a fat acceptance movement
Men have
for
a
women?
head start. So a man wanting me, that's true. Men have a financial head start over women.
And so, in fact, I always say one of the ringers that you're in a relationship with a narcissist who's gaslighting you.
Women have always worked, but they used to work for the family. They used to work.
That's
Beautiful
real.
woman to come and make love to me, and to the point that I had a heart attack. And
Oh, boy.
I'm not afraid to die.
So listen to this story here. This guy actually he makes some logical sense, you know. He should determine, it's his body, it's his life. He should determine how he wants to go. And the man says he wants to go with a chick riding on his...
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
All right, let's go. Let's hear what he has to say, yo. I kind of agree with the man. There should be a company set up that allows people to just call up and say, yo, it's my time to go, and I want to go like this.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
What? All right, let's go.
Make love to me, and to the point that I had a heart attack. And I'm not afraid to die. What I'm afraid of is that I can't die the way I want to die. It should be a normal thing, and they should have a company.
True.
You call up a company and say, listen, I'm 98 and I think it's time for me to go. I'd like a beautiful woman to come and school me to death. Until I didn't have any more energy, and I was... That would be a good way to go out. Having fun and glory and happy.
Look at his smile.
And I'm sure I'll have that worked out. Even if I have to go to Switzerland.
Yo, what do you say about that? Do you agree with it? Leave likes, comments, and subscribe. And leave some comments in there. Do you agree with this, what he just said?
He needs some milk.
Okay, I need a drink of milk. Okay, cool.
Where do single men between the ages of 28 and 40 go on Saturdays?
They're at home. Sorry, guys. You might want to lock your doors.
All right. Yeah.
Every woman that comes on her show says they're making over six figures and they want a man to match their income.
Well, I mean, if the
shout out to Beast Mode. I think that's him in the corner that I'm covering over.
If it is true that they're making that, do you think that's fair for them to ask for?
No.
You don't think it's fair for women to ask for a man that's making what they make?
Is it fair for a man to ask a woman to make what she make? Is it fair for?
I feel like
is
it's
it
different.
fair for a man to say, "Oh, I'm making $500,000 a year. I need a woman to make $500,000 a year"?
I think it's different. I think that the expectation of men socially is to assume...
women only want equality when it benefits them.
All right. That's a very good point. It's a point that I see on a lot of podcasters. Women only want equality. There it is. When it benefits them. Sorry to cuss in Jamaican. But yeah, it's true. That's what it seems like. So yeah, I'll keep going. Women only want equality. Double standards are okay when women benefit from them. Let's go.
Oh my God, that's just not true.
It is true.
How is out? I think we're singled out.
You stand.
We have nobody. When you have a system of women like us that is we are constantly having to defend every move we make. If it seems like we're loud or obnoxious or something, you're gonna call us combative.
Like
and I'm telling you, in some cases, black women are picked on.
Yo, she told on herself right there. If it seems like we're loud, seems like we're... Yo. Obviously, it's not all women, and it's not all my melanated queens, but definitely there are definitely a good set of uno. A good majority of uno. That's the other way there, that are like that.
They are. I don't know why you don't believe that.
All right, he's going to ask a question, and I agree.
Now, I'm going to confront you right now.
Okay.
Name me one thing that black women are accused of that's a lie. Do that for me, ma'am.
TikTok.
And I'll sit here and I'll give you the time.
No, I know what it means when you start.
Yo, you hear that? You hear the laugh? She's walking like a duck, quacking like a duck. Yo.
Hurt your head. No.
Name one thing about melanated women name one thing that melanated women are accused of that isn't true.
No, you're right. You're right about that. But I'm saying, is that stretched out of proportion?
Because a man don't care about how much a woman makes.
Historically, men have a head start. So a man wanting me,
patriarchy.
That's true. Men have a financial head start over women. So the idea of a man being like, if I make $500,000, I expect you to make $500,000.
You see that? If it's not a double standard, if women benefit out of it. But see, if women don't get to benefit, then it's a double standard.
Dollars is absolutely unhinged. That doesn't make sense. And then also, those same men that make $500,000 are not going to want, typically, a woman that makes $500,000 because she's going to be just as busy as him. And when is he going to get his he time?
Okay, I have a girlfriend. She has a point that she has a point there where it's like, when's he going to get his he time? If these guys who are unhinged, these guys who are just as busy as she. You get what I'm trying to say? All right, let's go.
Men have a head start. So a man wanting me, that's true. Men have a financial head start over women. So the idea of a man being like, if I make $500,000, I expect you to make $500,000 is absolutely unhinged. That doesn't make sense. And then also, those same men that make $500,000 are not going to want, typically, a woman that makes $500,000 because she's going to be just as busy as him.
Now, that part there, I could agree with still. The man don't want no boss babe kind of vibes going on still. I can agree with that to an extent, but okay, go on.
And when is he going to get his he time?
Right.
When is he going to get his he time? So, that just wouldn't happen. I just don't see that happening, where a man is like, oh, you have to make half of what I make.
But why?
How much was it? How much was it?
Men, have you been in this situation before? Please like and subscribe. It's I redpillrixter. I try to get to a certain goal, like 1,000 subscriptions. Let's do this, people. Please subscribe.
They gave it to me.
So you're not gonna tell me how much was it?
Okay, they gave it to me.
I don't believe you. How are they gonna give you something like that?
They gave this. They were like, hey.
Cooking right now.
Never in life have I ever heard a woman go, oh yeah, well our rent was $1,400 and my boyfriend only came with $700, so I didn't take the $700 and I just decided to pay all of it and broke up with him. Because it's not happening. Money is a tangible object. It goes in and out of cycles. Even millionaires have a hard time, and that's what the internet is not telling.
All right, tangible objects, tangible, ladies and gentlemen, material or substantial, capable of being touched.
You. What actually happens is two people get together and they decide who's going to cover what based off of their finances. This is your income and this is mine. It makes more sense for you to take this bigger bill because you make the most money. And they pay it based off of what makes sense for their life so they can make it from 1 month to the next and make their living situation more stable.
That sounds very Canada-like, because in Canada, it's kind of, of course, definitely one person can pay all the income, but it just doesn't make any logical sense when the rent and every kind of mortgage, all kind of things are so high.
Because that's what a partnership is. You don't have a lot of men saying, I'm going to take this woman and take on all of her burdens and let her go work really hard and keep all her money.
Right.
I know it sounds good on the internet for the pandering podcasters.
Right.
It's not a real reality.
It's not reality. Okay, here we go. Do we have one of these baby mamas? Does any of these guys in my comment section, you have a baby mama like this? Or you don't want to admit it? Any baby mamas in my section here? Do you act like this? Do you do this? Yo, check this out. Boy came to come see his little boy, to come to bring him a bike, and baby mama's like, damn. So it makes it a task every single time he wants to go see his child. Baby mama's acting like this, bro. So check it out. I redpillrixter. I know you missed it.
It's going to be something new today. All right, the bike right here. I'm about to go out tonight.
Baby mama.
What you mean? Well, I like your outfit, though. Fit together well.
Right? Well, I'm keeping it classy with her, telling her her outfit looks good, and then she had to turn around and squeeze that out. I know you missed it.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't, but...
You don't.
You know, it looked good on the outside, but... I don't. This is my son bike. Make sure you listen.
Yo, she must have really did him something bad, because right? Shorty looks good, right? So she must have did him something bad for him to be like, nah, for real, I'm done, yo. I don't want none of that. I don't want nothing to do with that, yo. It looks
about to
good
go out
from
tonight.
it looks good from the outside.
I'm a. What you mean? Well, I like your outfit though. You put this fit together well.
Watch out now.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't. But you know, it looks good on the outside. But I don't. This is my son bike. Make sure you listen. I don't know what you got him going on with his stepdad. Oh no. I'm going.
Smart.
Go.
Go.
I just told you that.
Go,
I'm not
bro.
going upstairs right now. I told you I'm coming to drop the bike. Oh no.
Please.
Oh, watch her pulling now, yo, bro. Don't give in.
Or he at work today.
First of all, I'm not with him. Don't bring up other people.
All right then. So listen.
No, where's your bitch? Your bald-headed bitch.
You see that? See the disrespect? Where is your bald-headed B? Look, Baldy calling her. Yo, what kind of disrespect is that?
Like you got more.
Okay, she does have more hair, but check this out. I heard recently, and this is real talk, that in a certain state in America, it's going to be considered a hate crime or something like that to call somebody bald. I swear to God. Real talk. You go look it up. Go look it up for yourself.
Why a woman making $100,000? Why does a man have to make what she makes?
Okay, this
Why?
is kind of.
I mean, like,
I don't think $100,000 is that much money.
Okay.
90% of the country makes $32,000 a year.
That's true. I didn't say.
So you're looking for the top 10%. The top.
If you're in the top 10%, you should be looking for the top 10%. How's that not fair?
Because the top 10% of men have all the options. Why would he pick you making $100,000 when he could pick anybody?
Right.
She also has options.
She don't have options.
How does she not have options?
Because men don't care about their money.
Right, because men don't do hypergamy. A rich man will go into McDonald's and marry the cashier. A rich woman will not do that. Right? Real talk.
If she's beautiful, she has
Hypergamy. Let's get the meaning of hypergamy just now.
options. Yes. If she's beautiful, she has options. Yes.
All right, he made up a real important point. If she's beautiful, she definitely has options.
You making $100,000 when you could pick anybody.
She also has options.
She don't have options.
How does she not have options?
Because men don't care about their money. If she's beautiful, she has options. Yes. If she's beautiful, she has options. Yes.
People with money have options.
No.
Yes.
Because the woman is looking. The woman is looking for the woman is looking for the top 10% of men.
Mm-hmm.
The man is looking at the 100% of women. The woman making
Real
$100,000.
talk.
She's only focused on the men making $100,000 and up, the top 10%.
But why should she not be?
Because she's limited. She's limiting her options at that point.
You do got a little more than that. But listen, I'm not here to argue with you. I gotta go. Here's my son bike.
Okay, well, he's gonna be upset that his dad doesn't want to come in and teach him how to ride it. I can't teach him.
I could come another day. No, but today's not a good day.
Today.
You asked for a bike today, and I told you I wasn't. That's not your business. I'm like, you're not my girl no more.
Yes, it is my business. You're my baby dad. So.
But you're not my girl no more. We done moved on from all the other stages that we went through. We're family. Yes, we are.
Right.
I told you I'm going out today. That's all you need to know.
Nope.
I have a girlfriend that's going.
Right.
Listen. All right, listen. I have a girlfriend. You know
friend.
that.
That's a girl.
Why you can't just accept the fact that I don't want you?
Yo.
No, seriously, you're not.
Yo. I gotta respect this dude, how he's holding out, because Shorty came with her little tight outfit and, I'm trying to say, straight seduction she's on. She's on some straight seduction bullcrap, bro.
Shut up!
Nope, I'm not gonna keep quiet. Let's go.
Okay, I'm not going nowhere. My son's bike is right there. I'm about to be, she's talking about some catfish and spaghetti. And she touching my door.
She's serious.
I knew you was gonna be on this same shit today, bro. Why you do this? I'm not going home with bald head Betty. Look at you look good on his bike. Come on, you gonna pop his tires. Get off his bike, man. I don't even play like that. I just purchased this bike for him. You playing?
Ooh, daddy gonna put his foot down. All right, come on.
I'm not coming. I'm gonna have a good time tonight. I'm gonna see him another day.
Watch out now.
I don't want that. Stop that. You got.
Come on.
This is crazy. You want me to fall so bad? Listen, I'm not here for that.
Shut up!
Okay.
Hey, shut up.
Okay, you trying hard. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, I am.
You trying hard. I'm not coming upstairs.
Come on.
I'm not.
Hey, yo.
No. Watch out.
You must not have a girlfriend that bad. Look at you.
I ain't gonna lie. You know what I do.
What you do?
You know what I do.
Ooh.
I did the same shit.
Yo, I'm glad. Yo, hold out, bro. Hold out, bro. Yo.
I did the same shit to you. I'm not locked in with no females. I just got a girl at home. I'm going to.
Your motherfucking girlfriend.
She is my girl. No.
Hold out, bro. Hold out, bro. Keep holding out, bro. Straight.
please. I'll pick you up by your feet.
Stop, you
I'm
tripping.
not playing.
All right, listen, I'm gonna come another day. All right, another day.
No.
Tomorrow.
I'm not going nowhere. Well,
Oh my God, yo, this girl is crazy. You are sick.
With kids, they come with baby daddies. They come with a lot of baggage a lot of the time. I'm not saying men don't either. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's a fair share of men that do as well. But I think that's probably the reason why. So I think a man kind of weighs up his options and chooses to have someone that doesn't have all.
If your woman is out in public with you like this, that's not your woman. If your woman is in public with you like this, I don't care if you agreed or disagreed, she is not prioritizing you.
I agree with him. 10,000 blood clot points. Do you understand? Look at what she's wearing, bro. She wants the attention on her. She's not prioritizing you, brother. Real talk.
That gaslighting a little more. What does that look like?
Gaslighting looks like, literally, like I said, when somebody kind of denies your reality. So you might say something like, that you said that to me. And they'd say something like, you have no right to say that. You have no right to feel that way. Or they'll say something, you'll have an argument with them, and they will have said something terrible to you a couple of days before. And you'll say, listen, when you said, and they'll say, I never said that. And so it's literally like they deny your reality. I did tell a putty cat. Most normal people tend to question themselves. And so, in fact, I always say one of the ringers that you're in a relationship with a narcissist who's gaslighting you is you start feeling the need to voice record your conversations with them so you can play it back to them. I always say, once you feel like you need voice memos in a relationship, it may be time to get out.
Gentlemen, you see when you have to touch the chicken, right? I told you you touch here slowly. There is no but we are not there. You see when you put the finger, what you are looking for inside the chicken is actually below this. You know this part? It's below. So when you put your finger, don't put your finger straight. You are destroying the chicken. You are making things difficult for the chicken. And you will not find the G spots that you are looking for. So
Greater on men to be successful or on women to be beautiful?
I think there's more pressure on men only because for women that's more of a choice if we want to try to be beautiful, whereas a man he kind of has to be successful to get anywhere in life.
So the average man's salary in the US is $40,000. The average woman in the US weighs 170 pounds. Why is there a fat acceptance movement for women, but there's no broke acceptance movement for men?
I don't.
For real.
I don't believe that maybe the whole body positivity thing.
Okay, so you got to give this girl some props. She's coming out straight and says she don't really believe in that body positivity thing. And for me personally, it's a health issue. You cannot be healthy if you're really, really, really too much overweight. For real, for real. Yo. All right, let's go.
I believe that we should be taking care of ourselves as best as we can. So I'm not sure why that happens, but I don't agree with it.
But do you think that plays a role in overinflating a woman's self-awareness or perception? Yes.
Delusion, yes. I do believe that it plays into why a lot of women are delusional.
So I salute you for that.
What does that mean? You can't be a leader because a lot of women look at it like, no, I can lead in my home.
Because we need more of that. You know what I mean? We need more men to stand up and lead the way. Mm-hmm. Most women are trying to be the leader. Mm-hmm. That's why you can't find a man. You can't be the king in the house. Fall back and be the queen and let your man lead the way. So I salute you for that.
What does that mean? You can't be a leader because a lot of women look at it like, no, I can lead in my household. I can do this in my household. What does that mean?
That's not how it's supposed to be, and that's why we bump heads. And I feel like it's a generational thing. And we could talk, we can go real deep on that, and I don't need to start that, but it's a generational curse. Mm-hmm. And how society have placed our men. Mm-hmm. And women have to stand up and be the mother and the father and the provider. And so then now you are so bad, you can't be told nothing, that when the right man come, you lose him because you're trying to be the man. I was going to say,
right.
man. Can we
You
be
know,
equal?
You know Fantasia from the streets, so she was gonna say that. Keep talking.
Oh, of course. But see, at the end of the day, I'm the neck, my man's the head. So he can't make any moves without his wife. You know what I mean? It all works together.
Yeah,
because we need more of that.
There's just no way around it. I mean,
All right. So here she talks about capitalism. And if you don't know the meaning of capitalism, then you will get a little understanding. Hear what she's saying about women right now. All right, Red Pill, let's go. Talk to them. Talk to them, girl.
women are just the #1 pushers of capitalism. Think about it. Women have always worked, but they used to work for the family. They used to work for the household. They used to raise the children. They used to cook the meals. They used to make sure that everything was functioning properly. We had proper nutrition for our kids and our families and our husbands and ourselves. We were gardening. We were growing things. We were cooking. We were teaching. We were educating. We were nurturing. We were literally helping the planet function. And now, because y'all would much rather, instead of loving a man and building legacy, you would rather push the dreams of some super capitalist by working in corporate America. Like I said, women are the #1 perpetuators of capitalism at this point. Get into it.
Like he said,
Miss Jackson, it's the first. Run is due.
I don't have it. I can't do it.
What do you mean you can't do it? But what can you do, Miss Jackson?
What do you mean?
I'll pay for the month. But it's gonna cost you. And it stays between us.
Whoa. I don't need to stay here this bad.
Have you stayed out here in these cold streets at night? When do you think you'll have it?
I don't know.
You're a fine little young lady.
Whoa.
Miss Jackson, it was a pleasure. I will be in touch.
Yo. It's creeps like this and scumbags like this, yo. So that's the word I gotta use, bro. Cause you don't know if this girl has a man, you don't know her situation, and if a dude comes in and busts off your blood clot, then what? He's in the wrong? Don't go up to people and use your power like that to try and get over on them. I don't know if he did or he wanted to for sure, but I don't know if he actually got through. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Granny Wars in Jamaica. Now, this one's going to be hard to understand, but the lady on the right-hand side is approaching the lady in the red hat, and she is cursing. She's mad. She's pissed. She is going off, but guess what? They're really good friends. That's the wickedest part. Let's hear this, man. It's going to be hard to understand if you don't understand Jamaican patois, but if you do, this is a trip and a joke. Yo, let's go.
That's why you feel mind your blood clot business.
That's why you should mind your own goddamn business. Let's take it from the top. Thing called the Granny Wars. I redpillrixter on Mr. Show. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Granny Wars, Jamaica edition. Let's go.
Clot business. You're close bad one. Mind your business, you're too damn fast. If you did have something in your house, if you did have something in your house, you do. You're too fast. Go and go do something. Me walk me know where you go. Me a taxpayer, you see? Me a pay tax. I 3 different them me a blood clot pay taxes for. Cause you fuck the bumbo pussy blood clot. Have no manner. Man has gone and you gone spread. You
Will. Wow. Wow.
Mind your business, you're too damn fast. If you did have something in your house, if you did have something in your house, you do. You're too fast. Go and go do something. Me walk me know where you go. Me a taxpayer, you see? Me a pay tax. I 3 different them me a blood clot pay taxes for. Cause you fuck the bumbo pussy blood clot.
Wow. Wow.
Man has gone and you gone spread. I want to see them type of people cast me black people out to meet, you know. You don't have no If you did have something in your own.
I gotta put on a Jamaican rhythm. I gotta put on the number one thing, the Punani rhythm. This is for the war. Let's go for the cursing war. Let's hear the Punani rhythm drop feed. All right, Jamaica edition, Granny Wars. Let's go.
You know that you have fuck round people when you do it. Already, for you don't know. You don't do a rat. Well, go up and take. You take a seat out of your bum box. Why you not do where you go? You know what me I go do? You know what me a blood clot go? A blood clot send on you, me born and go. Me no come from a pussy clot to come here.
Oh God.
You don't know where you go. Send on you, me bumbo clot born and go. You know where you go? Yes. You know where you go? I'm going to heaven. Heaven? Hey. You're a rascal because you do blood clot fast.
I think it's the one with the handbag. Calabar, she used to go in. The one narrate. Casey, she just go here.
Lucky this evening. You better when you reach on my country, cut your dirty thing, kill pussy.
This lady's too much. As much as they argue, they are actually remain friends. That's crazy. Thanks for tuning in, Mr. One more. Give me one more. All right, no more. Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. Like and subscribe. And just telling you, man, what can I do? I have a fetish to get some videos out and some, some are joking, some got a message behind it. But like and subscribe and keep tuning in to the Mr. Show. From Canada, Toronto to the world. Shout out to Las Vegas, New York. Shout out to England. Shout out to Japan. Shout out to Korea. Yo, I got a lot of listeners around the world. I just need you guys to like and subscribe. Mr. Show, and I redpillrixter. No.